Bitmart is a global cryptocurrency exchange that has become a prominent player in the digital asset ecosystem by 2025. Serving over 12 million users across more than 180 countries, Bitmart offers a wide range of services, including spot and margin trading, futures with leverage, and innovative investment opportunities like staking and dual investment. The platform is designed to cater to both beginners and experienced traders, providing a diverse selection of over 1,700 trading pairs. Bitmart's commitment to security and user experience is reflected in its continuous introduction of advanced programs and features. With its headquarters in the Cayman Islands and recent expansion into the United States, Bitmart continues to shape the way individuals and institutions engage with cryptocurrencies worldwide. Bitmart offers a comprehensive suite of trading services designed to meet the needs of a wide range of users. For those interested in straightforward transactions, spot trading allows for the direct exchange of cryptocurrencies at current market prices. More advanced traders can take advantage of margin trading, which enables them to amplify their positions using borrowed funds. The platform also features copy trading, making it easy for beginners to follow and replicate the strategies of experienced investors. Additionally, Bitmart supports futures trading with leverage, allowing users to speculate on price movements and potentially increase their returns. These diverse offerings ensure that both newcomers and seasoned traders can find tools and features suited to their individual trading goals. Bitmart offers a diverse range of investment opportunities designed to suit both beginners and experienced traders. Users can participate in staking, which allows them to earn passive income by locking up their digital assets for a set period. The platform also provides savings products, enabling investors to accrue interest on their holdings with flexible or fixed terms. Dual investment options combine two cryptocurrencies, giving users the chance to benefit from market movements in both assets. Additionally, Bitmart's internal Launchpad token programs offer early access to promising new projects, allowing users to invest in tokens before they become widely available. These features collectively make Bitmart a versatile platform for those looking to grow their crypto portfolio through various strategies. Bitmart has established itself as a prominent global cryptocurrency exchange, operating in more than 180 countries worldwide. With its headquarters located in the Cayman Islands, Bitmart benefits from a strategic position in the international financial landscape. By mid-2025, the platform achieved a significant milestone, surpassing 12 million registered users across the globe. This impressive growth reflects Bitmart's commitment to accessibility and innovation, catering to both retail and institutional investors. The exchange's expanding user base is a testament to its reliability and the diverse range of services it offers. As Bitmart continues to broaden its reach, it remains focused on delivering secure and efficient trading experiences to users everywhere. In May 2025, Bitmart introduced 3 advanced programs aimed at elevating the safety and quality of its trading environment. Slippage protection helps users minimize unexpected price changes during transactions, ensuring more predictable outcomes. The Elite Trader program offers enhanced features and benefits for experienced traders, supporting sophisticated strategies and higher volumes. Meanwhile, the Global Community Partner Initiative fosters collaboration and engagement among users worldwide, building a stronger and more connected trading community. Together, these innovations reflect Bitmart's commitment to providing a secure, rewarding, and user-focused platform for digital asset trading. In December 2021, Bitmart faced a significant security breach when hackers exploited vulnerabilities in 2 of its wallets. The attack resulted in the loss of approximately $135 million in Ethereum and an additional $46 million in other cryptocurrencies, marking one of the largest thefts in the platform's history. Bitmart responded by assuring users that affected customers would be reimbursed for their losses. However, despite these promises, many users reported not receiving compensation as of January 2022, raising ongoing concerns about the platform's ability to safeguard assets and honor commitments. This incident highlighted the critical importance of robust security measures and transparent communication within the cryptocurrency industry. The hack continues to serve as a cautionary tale for both exchanges and investors, emphasizing the need for vigilance and accountability. In November 2025, Bitmart US officially launched, marking a significant milestone for American cryptocurrency traders. This new platform was designed with a strong emphasis on regulatory compliance and robust security measures, ensuring users could trade digital assets with confidence. Bitmart US offers deep liquidity and rapid order execution, providing a seamless experience for both novice and experienced investors. The user interface is intuitive and accessible across web and mobile devices, making it easier than ever to manage crypto portfolios. By prioritizing safety and compliance, Bitmart US aims to set a new standard for secure and reliable trading in the United States. Bitmart's native token, BMX, continues to play a significant role in the platform's ecosystem. As of November 21, 2025, BMX is priced at $0.499464 reflecting a slight increase of $0.0025 or 0.0049% compared to its previous closing price. During the day, BMX reached a high of $0.503438 and a low of $0.497964, indicating stable market activity. BMX is listed in the crypto market, where it maintains a steady position among a wide array of digital assets. The token's performance demonstrates resilience and ongoing interest from both retail and institutional investors. With Bitmart's expanding global presence and new initiatives, BMX remains a key asset for users seeking diverse trading and investment opportunities. Bitmart continues to demonstrate impressive growth and adaptability within the global cryptocurrency landscape. With a user base surpassing 12 million and operations spanning over 180 countries, the platform has established itself as a leading exchange for both retail and institutional investors. Bitmart's commitment to innovation is evident in its introduction of advanced programs such as Slippage Protection, Elite Trader, and Global Community Partner, all designed to enhance user experience and security. The launch of Bitmart US further underscores its dedication to regulatory compliance and safe trading environments. As Bitmart expands its offerings and invests in new features, it is well positioned to meet the evolving needs of the digital asset community. Looking ahead, Bitmart's focus on accessibility, security, and technological advancement will likely strengthen its role as a key player in the future of cryptocurrency trading.